What's going on, you guys? It's Nick, and Dbrand has done it again. This time they've taken the popular black dragon skin and switched up the color. The new skin is punchy, vibrant, and like nothing you've seen before on a phone. Like most Dbrand installs, it's not too complicated to follow the tutorial video. After having several different skins on my iPhone 10, I can say that I really am a fan of the back-only skins from Dbrand. The new design of the iPhone allows for a completely different look of the phone while still keeping the luxury look with the metal sides. The texture of this new skin is grippy and it doesn't feel like it's going to slide out of your pocket. Funny story, that actually happened to Tim Cook during an interview. Now, after having just used a slicker up skin on my iPhone, it was a welcome change when I got to install this Red Dragon skin from Dbrand. The overall quality and texture of the wrap feels like it's actually part of the phone and gives you some protection. The slicker up skin that I had over a couple of weeks began to scratch and get nicks in it. And I really do like this Red Dragon skin. It has a very distinct vibe to it, and it still does have a sleek design like the original Black Dragon, but it is a little bit more punchy and vibrant, which I do like with the red color. And there really isn't much more to say than that. Dbrand skins are consistently good, and for as long as they keep making skins, I'm gonna keep buying them. If you guys aren't subscribed to my channel yet, you can click here to the right and subscribe to my channel. We just smashed through 500 subscribers, and I'm really pleased with how far this channel has come in the last year. I've got bigger and better goals for 2018, so stick around for the fun, you guys. Thanks for watching, you guys, and I'll see you in the next one.